China and Thailand are joining forces to crack down on telecom fraud and online gambling, and this time, they're serious. On February 8th, both countries made a bold move, declaring zero tolerance for cross-border crime. This isn't a joke, it's a solid joint statement. What does this mean? It means that Thailand, as a transit hub, is about to see some changes. Let's first look at what China and Thailand are targeting: fraud, online gambling, and human trafficking. Money laundering by surrounding mentors can be said to be one of the 5 major cancers of cross-border crimes, and the words used are particularly hardcore and zero tolerance. What does this mean? It means that the two countries are really going to take ruthless action. Then the question is, why is the statement so tough this time? Here are 3 reasons. First, there is a high-level consensus. This joint statement was not issued casually, but an important part of the overall context of building a community with a shared future. Second, there is a practical plan. The two sides should establish a coordination and cooperation mechanism and carry out joint patrols and law enforcement on the Mekong River. This is not just talk without action. Instead, we need to establish a long-term mechanism. Third, there is regional linkage. Through the Blueberry operation, the scope of the crackdown has been expanded to the entire Blueberry Basin, which is equivalent to setting up a large network to combat crime in Southeast Asia. Let's take a look at the characteristics of this operation, which is to quickly and accurately reflect the ammunition and establish a cooperation mechanism as soon as possible. The precision is reflected in the precise listing of specific targets. The tough part refers to that zero-tolerance attitude. In fact, what this reflects is the determination of both China and Thailand to combat cross-border crime. Think about it. Telecom fraud and online gambling are not just harming the property safety of the people in both countries, they also affect the stability and development of the entire region. So, this cooperation between China and Thailand in fighting cross-border crime is serious. We'll keep an eye on any further developments.